going to be reviewing the Mamaearth Onion Shampoo for hair fall control. Now, Mamaearth is a homegrown brand that makes natural skincare and hair care products that are 100% toxin-free. This brand has been such a rage for the past year, and I've had so many people recommending their onion hair fall range to me that I just had to try it out. The Mamaearth Onion Shampoo for hair fall control is enriched with onion seed oil and plant keratin, and it is completely free of any harmful chemicals such as sulfates or parabens, and it is safe for use on all hair types. This shampoo is great for anyone struggling with hair fall issues. For me, it started showing results right after the first few washes, so I even ended up buying the onion conditioner and the onion hair mask. I personally feel that if you use the entire range, it gives the best results, but even if you just want to try out the onion shampoo, I'm pretty sure it will work wonders for your hair to reduce hair fall as well as strengthen your hair. The onion shampoo is really gentle on your hair. It even helps to cut down the frizz, and most importantly, it does not smell like onions. It has a really pleasant fragrance. And if you're not struggling with hair fall, then you can also try out their argan oil or tea tree hair care ranges. And I will be back with yet another product review. Until then, bye guys.